Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two industry-leading design software programs, AutoCAD and Solidworks. Whether you're an engineer, architect, or a designer, choosing the right tool can make all the difference in your projects. So, let's break down the key features, pros, and cons of each to help you decide which one is best for you. First up, we have AutoCAD, developed by Autodesk. AutoCAD is one of the most widely used computer-aided design (CAD) software applications in the world. It's primarily used for 2D drafting, but also offers some 3D modeling capabilities. AutoCAD excels in creating detailed 2D drawings for a variety of fields including architecture, engineering, and construction. The software is known for its precision, extensive library of tools, and flexibility in creating technical drawings. Now, let's talk about the strengths of AutoCAD. AutoCAD's strengths include 1. Versatility, ideal for a wide range of industries. 2. Precision, highly accurate for 2D drafting and detailing. 3. Extensive toolset, comprehensive tools for drafting, annotation, and design. 4. Industry standard, widely recognized and used, ensuring compatibility and ease of collaboration. However, AutoCAD is not without its limitations. Some of the limitations of AutoCAD are 1. Steep learning curve, can be complex for beginners. 2. 3D modeling, not as robust as specialized 3D modeling software. 3. Resource intensive, can be demanding on your computer's hardware. Next, let's shift our focus to SolidWorks. SolidWorks, developed by Dassault Systems, is a powerhouse in the world of 3D modeling and simulation. Unlike AutoCAD, SolidWorks is primarily focused on 3D CAD, making it a favorite among mechanical engineers and product designers. SolidWorks shines in creating complex 3D models and assemblies. It offers advanced simulation tools, which allow engineers to test and validate their designs within the software. Let's dive into the strengths of SolidWorks. SolidWorks' strengths include 1. Advanced 3D modeling, exceptional tools for creating detailed 3D models. 2. Simulation and analysis, robust features for testing and validating designs. 3. User-friendly interface, more intuitive for 3D modeling compared to other software. 4. Collaboration tools, excellent for team-based projects and version control. But like any software, SolidWorks has its own set of limitations. Here are some limitations of SolidWorks. 1. Cost. Can be quite expensive, especially for small businesses or individual users. 2. Learning curve. While user-friendly for 3D modeling, it can still be complex to master. 3. Hardware requirements. Needs a powerful computer for optimal performance. Now that we've covered the basics, let's compare the two side by side. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide which software suits your needs best. Purpose. AutoCAD is versatile with a focus on 2D drafting, while SolidWorks excels in 3D modeling and simulation. Ease of use. AutoCAD can be complex for beginners, whereas SolidWorks offers a more intuitive interface for 3D tasks. Cost. AutoCAD generally has more flexible pricing options, while SolidWorks can be pricier but offers powerful features. Industry application. AutoCAD is widely used across multiple industries, whereas SolidWorks is predominantly used in mechanical and product design. So, which one should you choose? It really depends on your specific needs and industry. If you need precise 2D drafting for architecture or construction, AutoCAD might be the way to go. If your focus is on 3D modeling and mechanical design, SolidWorks could be your best bet. Host. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which software you prefer and why. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more great content, and see you in the next video.